Hey there, fellow transcription enthusiasts. Welcome back. Another company is hiring freelance transcribers. Get ready as we walk you through the application process for becoming a freelance audio transcriber at StatsWork. Let's begin. Before we dive into the application process, let's take a quick look at the StatsWork website. The link is in the description field. This is where you'll be submitting your application, so make sure to follow along as we walk you through the steps. Oh, by the way, StatsWork is a trusted company with a global presence in the US, UK, and India. The company is run by statisticians from Harvard and Alabama, ensuring the highest quality work in the industry. StatsWork guarantees the quality of statistics and adapts to the latest tools and technologies, with a quick turnaround time and unlimited support. Now, the steps. While on the website, navigate to the bottom of the page and click on Apply as a Freelancer button. Once on the application page, you'll see an online application form. Here's how to fill out the form. To get started with your application, please provide the following details. Enter your first name. Enter your last name. Enter your email address. Enter your phone number. It's important to provide accurate contact information so that StatsWork can get in touch with you. Now, let's talk about your educational background. Highest degree, choose one from the drop-down menu. Bachelor's, Master's, Doctoral. Degree and specialization, specify your degree and what you specialized in. Country, the country you currently reside in. How did you hear about us? Please say in a few words. Now, let's move on to your job preferences. Job preference, choose one from the drop-down menu. Freelancer, full-time, part-time, internship. Do you have any prior scientific/academic writing or editing experience? If yes, check the box. Are you currently employed? If yes, check the box. Are you available to start working with us immediately in the week of your joining? If yes, check the box. Enter your answer to, what kind of volume of work would you prefer? The term volume of work refers to the quantity or amount of work that you can complete within a given time frame. It is a measure of the workload or the number of tasks, projects, or assignments that you can handle. Next, choose your available day for interview. From the drop-down menu, choose the day that works best for you. Next, enter your area of specialization. Then upload your updated resume. Lastly, your total years of experience. Choose one from the drop-down menu. Once you've filled in all the details, click on the Send button to submit your application. Congratulations! You've officially applied to become a freelance audio transcriber at StatsWork. Now, all you need to do is wait for a response. Keep in mind that the recruitment process may take some time. StatsWork receives numerous applications and wants to ensure they select the best candidates. If your application meets their requirements, you'll be contacted for further evaluation, which may involve additional tests or interviews. Easy, right? You now have a clear understanding of the application process for becoming a freelance audio transcriber at StatsWork. If you're selected, you'll have the opportunity to work with a reputable organization and build your career in audio transcription. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.